Good afternoon. My name is Rahul Sureshwar Argode. Today I am going to take the practical on determine the workability of concrete by compaction factor test. Determine the workability of fresh concrete. These are the apparatus, compaction factor apparatus, enamel tray, weighing balance. These are the apparatus needed for this practical. There are two types of workability. First one is the low workability and second is the high workability. First one, low workability, where it is used for roads, dams, mass, concrete, and second is the high workability, where it is used in the congested reinforcement, where the formwork needed congested reinforcement. There we will provide the high workability because it is easily flow into the each and every part of the corner of the formwork. Second is the pump concrete and thin section. There we will use to high workability concrete. Factor apparatus. Upper part is called as the upper hopper. This is the lower hopper, and this is the metal cylinder. At the base, metal cylinder is there. Put the fresh concrete here, and then it will be the lower down into the lower hopper. Weight is 3.308, that is the W1. Taken the weight of empty cylinder. Now weight of empty cylinder is already we have taken 3.308 kg. Test is generally useful for low workability concrete because in low workability concrete there will be the required less amount of water. Now we will need to prepare the concrete. As we know that we have taken this three gradient. First one we have taken the sand, cement and aggregate. We will prepare according to the M50. That is the ratio 1:2:4. This is the sand, this is cement, we have taken the half kg. This is the sand, fine aggregate, we have taken the 2 kg, and this is the coarse aggregate, we have taken the 4 kg. To the M15 grade of concrete, we have mixed cement, sand and aggregate, and we have taken how much amount of water is needed. For this, 300 ml water is required for M15 grade of concrete, and we have taken the water cement ratio is 0.60. Here we will put this concrete in upper hopper. After putting the concrete in upper hopper, now next is the open this trap, and the concrete in the upper hopper will drop down in the lower hopper. The upper trap will again open, and this concrete will drop down in a metal cylinder. In metal cylinder, the excess amount of the concrete will level up. Now this is the weight of partially compacted concrete plus weight of empty cylinder. Now this weight comes 6.982. Now we will subtract WB from WA. So WB 6.982 and WA 3.308. The weight of partially compacted concrete is becomes 2.99. Calculate the weight of partially compacted concrete, that is 2.99. Now we have to calculate the weight of fully compacted concrete. Now this concrete we will put in the metal cylinder. This concrete in metal cylinder in 3 layers. After each layer we will give the 25 number times of load. After compacting in 3 layers, this is the weight of fully compacted concrete, and the weight comes 7.589. Fully compacted concrete, that comes 4.281. Now we need to calculate the compaction factor. The compaction factor formula is the ratio of weight of partially compacted concrete to the weight of fully compacted concrete. That weight of partially compacted concrete values come 2.99, and the weight of fully compacted concrete value from 4.281. That is 2.99 divided by 4.281. The answer comes 0.69. And the value of compaction factor 0.69. That means the concrete is having the low workability. This is the low workability and it is useful for the mass concreting road pavement. Thank you.